An automaton is kind of like a dimmer switch. Let me explain. On a dimmer switch, the slider changes the electrical value going to the light. The automatone's neck works in a similar way, but for sound. Inside the neck is a resistive strip and a contact path. When those two connect, the circuit gets a different amount of resistance depending on where that connection happens. And when I press down on the neck, I'm making contact on the strip right there. And each spot is a different electrical value that is being sent to the oscillator, and the oscillator is a little circuit that makes the sound. When I press closer to the circuit end, that connection happens earlier in the strip, so the signal travels through less resistive material, and there's less resistance. Less resistance makes the oscillator cycle faster. And more vibrations per second is what we hear as higher pitch. And the opposite happens too. More resistance, slower cycle, lower pitch. So yeah, the Otamatone is a dimmer switch for pitch.